Ways you can use ChatGPT for work and business, part 2. This is for my project managers. So, as a project manager, you know it's important to clearly define the scope of your project, the timeline for it, and the budget. Those are like key elements of your project. But did you know that you can consult with ChatGPT to help you with your project plan, like help you define the scope, help you come up with your timeline, and all the different variables that you need when initially in those planning stages when you're getting started, like before you even have your kickoff meeting, you would want to consult with ChatGPT to kind of help you get started. You can also use it for your stakeholder communication, like if you need to draft letters to, stakeholders or memos to various people, you can use ChatGPT to help you draft that communication and you don't have to rack your brain. You can also use ChatGPT to help you come up with your risk management plan, to help you with any problem solving for things that you need to address along the way. So if you are new to ChatGPT, if you have not used it before, I invite you to join me on Thursday evening at 7 p.m. where we're going to go over some basics of how to get started with ChatGPT. Raise your hand down in the comments and I will get the information over to you.